This is a special time for our community. We're doing incredible things, y'all. When I go to meetings outside of the school district, they stop and want to hear about the great things that are going on in Clayton County. People recognize us now. We're being brave and bold and ensuring, along with our parents, we're holding our students and our families accountable. This board embraced the vision and has supported it, and I appreciate you for doing so. And we're off and running, and we're going to make you proud. And this work cannot happen without the support of an incredible team and our great students, our phenomenal staff members, our incredible families, all of the community support that we're getting. Thank you so much for helping us build a better tomorrow today.
Join us live on Thursday, February the 6th, 2025. Stream the 2025 State of the Schools address on all Clayton County Public Schools websites and all social media platforms. This is an event you do not want to miss.